So I'm wearing this glasses of this freaking dude. By the way, my name is Hamad Ahmed Shah. I'm from Lahore.
Bro, why are you
Lahore?
giving your interview?
Lahore.
No one is here taking your interview.
You are my interviewer.
No, I'm not your interview, bro.
Come on, ask me some question, dude.
What type of question do you want me to ask you?
Do I listen to music and stuff? And
Yes,
am
you
I
you
am
actually
I
do.
indulge in haram?
No, you actually do
situations?
listen to music. That's
Oh.
I have a proof now. You cannot run away with this.
You can.
I know.
I can deny it. I can refute your statement, my friend. I have never sing a song in my life.
No, that's actually not true.
You know,
And
there's
I can prove you.
those songs who are related to your feelings, you shouldn't listen to them.
Oh,
Understand?
that's I agree.
It
I
boosts
agree.
your emotions and plays with your emotion with the frequency. And there is a whole logic behind it.
Yep.
You have to search about it. So that's why I don't listen. I'm not attracted to this kind of content. So I'm very protected from it by the grace of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
Yep.
MashaAllah. Se.
Wow. Mashallah.
That's why I don't need to be depressed or stressed out that I'm losing some fun from this generation.
Yep.
All the guys having fun and going to haram parties and stuff. And I might think that I'm missing out, but in reality, I'm not missing out in anything.
Yep.
I'm just
Actually.
I'm a really good guy. I enjoy myself and I try to recite Quran in beautiful voice.
Yep. That's true.
That's what I really try to do, and I'm very into it. Oh, I can't pronounce the word. Man.
You
My
cannot
Angrezi-
pronounce
my
the word
Angrezi is khatam.
enthusiastic. You cannot
Enthusiastic.
pronounce that.
Shut the let me speak.
Okay.
So
You
I'm
gonna
very
speak.
interested in Quran recitation,
Yep.
maqamats, and I try to mimic Yasir al-Dosri and his different maqamats like maqam al-Nahamand and maqam al-Sabah and different maqamats in
Yep.
general. And is one of the most famous recitation is from Surat al-Mu'minun,
True.
and I try to listen it daily, play it daily when before going to bed and waking up.
His voice is actually
Yeah,
really
he's-
beautiful.
Really, he worked hard for it to achieve that kind of tone and recitation.
Just
And
like how
consistency.
just like how artists do.
Yeah,
Just like how artists do.
he's truly an artist.
Yep.
You should listen to him. He's a man of
Yeah. Yeah, what's his name? You can
Yasir al-Dosri,
Yeah.
Sheikh Yasir al-Dosri.
Sheikh Yasir al-Dosri.
Imam al-Kaaba.
Imam al-Kaaba.
Imam al-Kaaba. Ah, man, I forgot the word, man, again.
Okay.
He's the Imam from Haram, and he's also a professor, khatib, and a scholar, and a ustad of many students. And I've seen some of his students like reciting the same way that he does,
Hmm.
which is really impressive. That means that I also have a chance to recite like him if I really try hard and have patience and really have the interest to develop
Yep.
this kind of voice and tones. It just helps you to beautify your voice while you're reciting Quran. You express your feeling through your
Yep.
great recitation, bro. I don't know where the hell my words are coming from, but this is straight
But,
from heart. This
straight
is
from
natural.
heart. Yep.
This
Exactly.
is not a script that
Yeah. There's not a script going on. It's completely
and
from his
why I'm
heart.
doing this is to practice my interviewing, my communication skill.
Yep.
to be able
Communication
to-
skill. Oh my God, my hands.
So don't do this, my friend. I speak better English than Habib at least.
You speak better English than your brother Zia. That for sure.
No,
Yep.
bro, no. trust
I've seen
me.
his vlog, bro. You cannot
Bro, no, you
you
have
cannot
seen-
deny this.
You can't say this, otherwise they're gonna. Some people gonna try to hunt my brother's
Oh
vlog.
shit.
By the way, bhai, that was 5 or 6 years ago. Now he was graduated from NLD University as an electronic engineer, working.
You're gonna apply to NED University as well.
Inshallah.
Inshallah,
I've
inshallah.
already applied it
Oh shit.
for an.
I didn't know this, bro.
What's the course name? For
For business
no.
or
Digital marketing and search engine optimization.
oh.
So I'll be completing in. It will take 2 months.
Yep, this guy's gonna make a lot of money.
Inshallah,
He's gonna
inshallah.
spare me.
Only
He's gonna,
for one person.
for one person. Who?
Only for one person. You know her name.
I don't know her name.
You know.
Come on, you have to say it, bro.
No, I can't say it. It starts for my name. No, it ends with my first name, first alphabet. So
Oh, okay.
Bro, we are just yapping too much, man.
You're the only one
I
yapping,
can't,
bro.
can't even pause this one.
No, you can pause this by making some
Yeah,
clips.
bro, my spit. Come on.
It's
छोड़ यार,
okay, bhai. It's okay.
गलत
Because
चीज़ें-
we can
Damn, bro.
we can always clip these videos.
Yeah.
We can always clip this video. We can do anything. We can
Do I
swear.
look पढ़ा लिखा?
Bro, you actually look like you're a pढ़ा लिखा dude.
Just because I'm yapping in English.
And
so-
you're wearing a glasses. Yep. Which you normally
I'm
don't.
from Oxford, graduated from Oxford University. I'm
Damn.
from England. So I'm with this dude named Lal.
Yep.
His father worked as an army officer. Used to,
Oh.
but they also have a assault rifle in his
Yeah.
home. We
I still
we can,
do.
yeah, we can
I
show you
still-
if
yep.
we want to. We don't need to show off or flex,
Yep.
but we have fucking like guns and stuff.
That's true.
And we are.
And look, my dad is calling. My dad is calling. I think
fucking dad is calling, man.
I think I got raided and it's time, guys.
Yeah, now
It's time I have
just
to.
few minutes ago we were talking about Quran and recitation. Now we are yapping and cussing each other.
That's it. That's it, guys. I think I have to stop this video right now.
This is gonna get done.
Yep, this is my last day on earth. My dad's gonna beat me up.
Bro, he's gonna come in park.
He's gonna raid. He's
Standing
gonna
like
raid where we are.
Undertaker.
We're in a park right now, and my father, he's gonna. If I don't pick up his phone, he's gonna come here and
Yeah.
raid us. Look, bro, in the middle of conversation, you're flexing your jawline.
Jawline check.
Bro, my jawline is always better than yours, bro.
You got pimples on your hair, face.
Bro,
and you
shut
also,
up.
Also used to shave your
Shut up,
beard.
bhai, shut